Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy during this lockdown. It's the end of Ramadan and I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of you a Eid Mubarak from all of us from Ali Raja Bagan Bari UK. Just a quick update of our garden. I'm so excited to show you my progress of my chili plants. It's only the middle of May and my plants are already starting to produce chilies. Look at this, it looks beautiful.
Oh yes, the chilies coming.
We overwintered this chili plant last year. This year, don't throw your chili plants away. We have made a video on how to overwinter your chili plants. If you haven't watched that video, it's a must-watch video. So please don't forget to check that out. Eid Mubarak. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.